Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Stepping Stone Tutorials.
Viewers, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It is a very new channel. So please shower your love and blessings to my channel. Also, do hit the like button. And do let me know in the comment section which more chapters you want videos on. Thank you. So students, I am back with another brand new chapter, Light, of class 10 physics. So in the last video of this chapter, we have seen certain rules for obtaining images by a spherical mirror. Now we will see formation of different images by a concave mirror when the object is placed at different location. The type of image formed by a concave mirror depends on the position of the object in front of the mirror. So what we will do, we will place the object at different position and we will see what type of images are formed by it. So our first case is when the object is at infinity. When the object is at a very large distance, we say that the object is at infinity. Here in this ray diagram, you cannot see the object because the object is placed at a very large distance, that is at infinity. The image is formed, you can see, at the point F, focus, because all the reflected rays of light, they pass through the point F. What is the nature of the image? The image is real, inverted, and point size. Now, what is a real image? A real image is formed when the light rays coming from an object actually meet at a point after reflection from the mirror. The second case is object is placed beyond center of curvature. So you can see the object is placed at a point far away from C. So the image is formed, you can see the image is formed somewhere between the center of curvature C and focus, because the reflected rays of light, they meet at a point between C and F. What is the nature of the object? The nature of the object is real and inverted, and it is smaller than the object, or it is diminished. The next case is when the object is placed at the center of curvature of a concave mirror, that is object at point C. So where is the image forming? You can see the image is forming at the point C itself. What is the nature of the object? The nature of the object is real and inverted, and it is same size as the object. So you can see the candle here, it is straight, but in the image it is inverted, isn't it? Next case is when the object is placed between focus and center of curvature, that is between F and C. So you can see the candle is placed between F and C. And where is the image forming? The image is formed beyond the center of curvature. So what is the nature of the image? Again, it is a inverted image and real. So next case is when the object is placed at the focus of a concave mirror, that is object at F. So in the last few cases, we have seen that if an object comes closer to F of the concave mirror, the image moves away from F and it becomes larger. So when an object is at F of a concave mirror, an infinitely large, real and inverted image is formed at infinity. So here we can see that the reflected rays of light, they are parallel and they are not meeting at point. So they meet at a point somewhere very far, which is at infinity. The next case is object is placed between pole and focus of the mirror. That is, object is placed between F and P of the mirror. So when an object is placed between F and P, the image formed is virtual, erect and enlarged, and it is formed behind the concave mirror. So what is a virtual image? A virtual image is formed when light rays coming from the object only appear to meet at a point when they are produced backward, but they do not actually meet. Okay. So this is the only case when a virtual image is formed in case of a concave mirror. So here is a quick summary of all the 6 cases. Object at infinity. Where is the image formed? Image is formed at F. It is real and inverted and it is point size, very diminished. Next is object beyond C. Image is formed between C and F. It is real and inverted and smaller than the object. The third case is object at C. Image is also formed at C. Image is real and inverted and same size of the object. Object is between C and F. Where is the image formed? Beyond C. So here the object is coming closer to F. So image is becoming larger. So the image is real inverted and larger than the object. And it is formed beyond C. Next, object at F. So what will happen? The image will be very large, magnified. Okay, and it is formed at infinity. Object between F and P, the image is virtual and it is larger than the object. Next, we will see formation of different types of images by a convex mirror. Please note that the focus of a convex mirror is situated behind the mirror. It should be noted that the reflected rays in case of a convex mirror do not actually pass through the focus of the convex mirror. Therefore, it has a virtual focus, that is behind the mirror. So first let us see what happens when the object is placed at infinity in case of a convex mirror. Infinity, already I told you, infinity means when the object is at a far off distance. So here you can see that the image is forming at the virtual focus, that is behind the mirror. So it is highly diminished, that is much smaller than the object, and it is virtual and erect. Next, we will see what happens when the object is placed anywhere between pole P and infinity in front of a convex mirror. So you can see that when the object is placed anywhere between the infinity and pole, then the image formed is behind the mirror, between pole and focus. The nature of the image is virtual and erect and diminished, that is smaller than the object. So in case of convex mirror, you have to remember these two cases. First is object at infinity, then image is produced at focus behind the mirror and is point size. Second case is object at any other position between the focus, between the pole and the at infinity. Then image is formed between pole and focus and it is diminished, virtual and erect.